Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing. If you want to see what unboxing we're doing, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of my unboxing for Agape products. I am so overdue on doing this video, you guys. Like, long overdue. It's been sitting in this box for like forever.
Yeah.
Forever.
Yeah.
So I need to do this and make sure my product has not melted. And yeah, let's pray for the best. Shame on me, shame on me. But really? Let him go. So, yes, we have been doing like a lot of updates around the house. A lot of cleaning. We are still nowhere near done. So, that has been prolonging my videos. This little girl, always. So, this is my package from Agape for my products that I ordered. You know, it's sad. I don't even remember what I ordered.
But mommy will.
Hold on, baby. Scoot over a little bit.
That's better. That's better, mommy.
Yep.
So you can get your hair products right here?
No, they're not hair products, baby.
What is there?
You'll see. Just wait and see.
Okay. I'm gonna smell it because I want to see what is it smell. You see that here?
Oh wow! I totally forgot about this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hi guys. What's my name? Genesis.
Okay. Hold on. My turn. My turn. What's she got on your face? Guys, he just ate a cinnamon roll, so he had cinnamon roll all over his face. Oh my goodness. Go ask Daddy to wash your face off. He literally got cinnamon roll all over his face. Close the door, please. Alright, guys. I'm back. Close the door. I totally forgot I ordered this stuff. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so one of the first things I ordered... I'm, like, taking it out of the box and setting it up on the side. Hold on. Okay, so I did order the whipped body butter in Tempest. And that's how it's looking. So let's open this baby. Yo, let's please let it not be melted. It's not melted! Ah! So excited! Wow, this smells so different. Kind of smell like a perfume. But I can't put my finger on it. Yeah, it smells like a perfume to me, but it smells good. So I also ordered some bar soap because she makes her all natural bar soap, and I ordered 2 of her African black soap, and this is how it looks. And you see, it's like has all this stuff in it. So I ordered 2 of those. Cannot wait to try those. It says a little piece of African soap goes a long way. Important. Apply moisturizer on the face after washing with the African black soap. The direction says lather soap and washcloth, sponge or loofah. I think I'm saying it right. And apply to face or body. And it does smell like African black soap, but with a little different.
Can you smell
Go.
it?
Go, little boy. Go with daddy.
I don't want to.
Hold on, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. I had to kick him out of the room. I told him I'll let him smell it later. Okay, so another item that I ordered was... I ordered 4 of these items, and they are the handcrafted goat milk soap, unscented. So I ordered this. I ordered 4 of them. They smell good, even though it's unscented. They have a little scent to it. It smells very clean. Yeah, it smells very clean through the packaging. So, yes, I ordered that. Okay, so another item I ordered. And I'm just opening the baggie that it's in. Another item that I ordered is the white chocolate body butter. Whipped body butter. I can't wait to smell this. And this one was on her limited edition. Usually when she does her proms, she has a new smell. So, yep, that was one of her latest new smells. And that's how it looks. Looks so pretty. That smells good. That smells real good. Like, it don't smell like white chocolate to me, but it smells like chocolate. I guess you could say just white chocolate. It smells good though. I like that. It smells real nice. So yes. So excited about that. Oh, and then I also ordered her banana pudding whipped body butter. And that's how this one is looking. Let's open this baby up. And that's how it's looking. Very creamy and yellow. It looks kind of lime green on the camera, but it's yellow. Ooh, that smells good. This smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. Oh my goodness. I haven't smelled that candy in like so long. But it smells straight up like a banana Laffy Taffy. That smells so good. Wow. I mean, that, that smells so good. I really like this one. Like, this smells really good. That smells good. Okay, and another item I ordered is the blueberry whipped body butter. And that's how this one is looking. Let's open this baby up. It's actually like a greenish blue color. Ooh, that smells good too. I think I just put some on my nose. No. Oh, that smells real good, but it don't smell like blueberry. It smells like... Oh, what is that smell? I know this smell. It's a juice, I think it is. Oh, I don't know what juice it is, but it's a juice that smells just like this. I can't even think of the name of it. It smells so delicious. And I also got the blueberry goat milk soap. I was trying to get the soap to go with the body butter. That smells good too. This smells like blueberry, but it doesn't smell like, it's just smell really, really clean. I cannot wait to try this, but I cannot put my finger on what it smells like. It's a juice though. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's Jungle Punch or Jungle Juice. That smells good though. I like that. And the only thing else that was in my packaging was another one of her keys, her cards, her business cards. This is her information, you guys. Go check her out on Instagram. Follow her on Facebook. Yep. And that's her phone number, her website, and her email address. I hope that's not on backwards. It looks backwards to me. So hopefully it came out right on your end. And then just my package information of what I ordered. And that's it, you guys. So I got some new smell goods to add to my little collection I'm making of different things, you know, when you want to smell a different way. You know, sometimes you just want to smell a little bit different and still have good quality products. So yeah, I cannot wait to try more of her products, and I'm just wondering like which one is my favorite now. Cause I don't even know now. It's so hard to tell. Like, yeah. So let me put this up on my stand that I have. I asked somebody to put it up earlier. Yeah, this morning I asked them to put it up. So I want to show you guys how it's looking, because I'm getting our room. We're putting our room in order, and that video should be out soon. But it's taking us forever to get organized due to time. It's like with being busy parents and workers and trying to just get rest. It's so, for our room, and it's taking forever to finish. Taking forever to get organized. Everything is pretty much built. We just have to build our bed. So yeah, let me just show you guys the setup of where I'm storing my products from my Agape key line. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so I had hubby put a shelf up here. It's above our TV stand and our TV and our dresser, and I've been putting up my products over here. I was gonna put them somewhere else, but it didn't work out, so I put them over the TV. And the reason why I put it there is because I wanted to display the strawberry shortcake candle that I have. And I'm just like, okay, I can't let the candle stand alone, so let me just add my product on the shelf with it. So far, this is what I have. My strawberry shortcake on the top. I have the blueberry now, the white chocolate, the banana pudding, the unscented, the temperance, and also my apple cinnamon. That was my first baby to my collection, and I thought it was so spicy, you guys, but I think I love it like a lot right now. Even though it was so spicy when I first smelled it, I love it a lot. It really is. All of them are really good products. I haven't tried the new additions, but I can't wait. And the unscented, I got the unscented for the kids, and so far I have not had any allergic reactions from the kids with the unscented. I also used the strawberry shortcake one on Dory, and she didn't have any reactions to it. I also have my watermelon sugar scrub up here, and my other collection from the kit I ordered. I have a few other products of hers, but they're in the shower, and I'm gonna put the soap in the. I'm gonna store that under the sink in the bathroom. So yeah, that's how it's looking, you guys. That's how it's looking. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it took me so long to do part 2, even though I had the package just sitting there waiting on me to open it up. I also have another unboxing to do, and that's been sitting there even longer than this one. So I'll get that video out to you guys soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below, because I love talking to you guys. I love reading your comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found out about some new products out there that you can try out for yourself. So bye guys.